getting ready to take the boat for the first 20 hour service. That has to be done after you put the first 20 hours on it. Leaving storage here in Beaumont, going to Coastline Marine and Kemah. See y'all in Kemah. Kemah's about an hour and a half drive from Beaumont. Ran into the rain, and finally the sun came back out. Steakhouse. Yeah, it's a steakhouse.
Where you want to go eat? Where you want to go eat?
That's up to you. If you want to go there, we can go. Like they do. About the service. Yeah. Making us a little pit stop at good old T-Bone Tom's. Yeah, that's a steak. Appreciate you guys checking the channel out. We're new to it, so please subscribe and like. And we look forward to doing many more. We'll see you on the next one. Let's go.